We're diving into the future of YouTube, and trust me, it's looking different. We're talking about building a channel, creating content, and even making some money, all without ever showing your face. Yeah, you heard that right. No fancy cameras, no awkward on-camera moments, just you, AI, and a whole lot of potential. What if I told you that you can start a YouTube channel, post daily videos, and make money without showing your face using just AI and spending 0 rupees? Stick around because I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. First things first, we gotta figure out what you're gonna be all about. Think of your channel like your own personal tech brand. What's the story you want to tell? Maybe you're into motivation, giving that daily dose of inspiration, or maybe you're a tech head like me, always on top of the latest gadgets and trends. You could break down business facts, dive into the world of Bollywood gossip, whatever gets you hyped. The key here is passion. Pick something you actually enjoy, because that's what's gonna keep you creating day after day. Now that you've got your niche locked in, it's time to unleash the power of AI. Head over to ChatGPT. It's like having a personal scriptwriter on demand. And the best part? It's completely free. Just type in something like, write a 60-second script about your topic, and boom, ChatGPT will spit out a script faster than you can say algorithm. It's seriously that easy. And hey, don't be afraid to play around with it. Tweak the script, make it your own. Okay, so we've got a killer script, but how do we bring it to life? Don't worry, you won't need to invest in any fancy recording equipment or sound like a robot. We're going with AI voiceovers. Sites like ttsmaker.com and PlayHT have got you covered. Just paste your script, choose from a bunch of natural-sounding voices, and download the audio file. It's like having your own personal voiceover artist, but without the hourly rate. Chapter 4, Free Stock Footage, your visual library. Now let's talk visuals. Head over to Pexels or Pixabay. These sites are a goldmine for high-quality stock footage. And the best part? They're completely free to use. No copyright strikes here. Just search for clips that match the vibe of your script. Think motivational landscapes, techie cityscapes, whatever fits your niche. Chapter 5, CapCut, your editing powerhouse. Time to bring it all together in the editing room, and for this, we're using CapCut. It's available on both PC and mobile, and it's totally free. Import your stock footage, drag and drop your AI voiceover, and start piecing together your video. Don't forget to add subtitles. They make a huge difference in keeping people engaged, especially if they're watching on the go. Trust me, with a little practice, you'll be surprised how quickly you can put together a professional-looking video. Chapter 6. Upload, optimize, dominate. Alright, your video is edited and ready to go, but before you hit that upload button, let's optimize it for YouTube's algorithm. Use ChatGPT to come up with a catchy title that'll make people want to click. Then, create a visually appealing thumbnail using Canva. Think bold colors, clear text, and images that grab attention. And finally, don't forget about tags. Use relevant keywords related to your content, like #shorts, #faceless channel, #iYouTube, to help people find your video. Now, hit that upload button and watch your channel grow. Listen, people are out here building entire businesses using this method. They're generating passive income, reaching millions of viewers, and living the dream, all without ever showing their faces. So, what's stopping you? You don't need expensive gear, you don't need a film crew, you just need the drive to take action. People are making passive income with this method, so what's stopping you? You don't need gear, you don't need money, you just need action. Subscribe now and comment I'm in. If you're ready to start your own faceless AI-powered channel, let's build your YouTube empire.